Good morning, all of you. Today we discuss about the subject physical education, class 11th and course detail of physical education for class 11th. Syllabus of class 11th physical education. Unit first, changing trends and career in physical education. Unit 2, Olympic value education. Unit 3, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Unit 4, physical education and sports for children with special needs. Unit 5, yoga and lifestyle. Unit 6, physical activity and leadership training. Unit 7, test measurement and evaluation. Unit 8, fundamental of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology in sports. Psychology and sports. Next, 9th unit. Unit 10, training and doping in sports. Content of chapter 1. Name of the chapter 1, changing trends and career in physical education. And first content is meaning and definition of physical education. Aims and objective of physical education. Career option in physical education. Competitions in various sports at national and international level. Khelo India program. First definition, meaning and definitions of physical education. Physical education can be defined as the domain of education in which physical activities help in achieving various educational objectives by means of involvement in games and sports, dance, exercise, gymnastics, and other physical activities. Physical education has been defined by many leading authors in different ways. According to Charles A. Pucher, an integral part of total education process is a field of endeavor which has as its aim the development of physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially fit citizens through the medium of physical activity, which have been selected with a view of realizing these outcomes. According to Center Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreation defines physical education as an education through physical activity for the development of total personality of the child to its fullness and perfection in body, mind, and spirit. Next, according to Angela Lumpkin, physical education is a process through which an individual obtains optimal physical, mental, and social skill and fitness through physical activity. According to J.V. Ness, physical education is that phase of the whole field of education that deals with big muscles activity and their related responses. According to J.F. Williams, aim of physical education is complete living through wholesome development of human personality. After going through all the aforementioned definition of physical education, we can conclude that physical education is a very important part of general education, and it is better to introduce every individual to physical education. It not only teaches sports but also teaches value and help in the overall development of child. Thank you.